Introduction to Security Monitoring and Incident Response. So, what do these teams actually do day to day? At the core of their work in security monitoring, keeping a constant eye on the digital environment for anything unusual or suspicious. Imagine trying to find a needle in a haystack, but the haystack keeps growing every second. That's what monitoring log and data can feel like. Every login, every file access, every network packet, it's all recorded. The SOC uses powerful tools to shift through this data in real time. But monitoring is just one side of the coin. The other side is incident response. When something goes wrong, a server is acting strange, data starts moving where it shouldn't, or a ransomware file is detected. That's when incident response kicks in. They follow a structured process known as the incident response lifecycle. It starts with preparation, making sure the team has plans and tools in place. Then comes detection and analysis, spotting the incident and understanding what is happening. Next, containment, eradication, and recovery. Stopping the attack, removing the threat, and getting systems back to normal. Finally, there's post-incident activity, where the team reviews what happened, what went well, and what can be improved for next time. It's not just about fighting fires, it's about learning from each one so the next fire is smaller or better yet, prevent altogether.